Ladies and gentlemen, it's Design Slider. Did you forget your Wi-Fi password and you want to recover the password to your Wi-Fi? Or you want to even hack into some Wi-Fi access? Let me show you how. If you like videos like this, then subscribe here now so you will get more of this type of tutorial videos. Then continue watching this video. Come to your Windows Start, right mouse click on the Windows Start icon and go to Settings. And from Settings, go to Network and Internet. Under Network and Internet, click Wi-Fi. And this is where you're coming. And if this seems to be a longer version for you, it's faster and quicker to get there faster. When you come to your internet icon here, click on it, expand the Wi-Fi connection, drop down, and from there, more Wi-Fi connection down here. And you land here. Use any of these two methods to land here, Network and Internet, Wi-Fi. Come down to Manage Known Networks. And you will see a long list of all the Wi-Fi you have connected to sometime in the past and up till this moment. All the Wi-Fi will show up here. Then select the particular one you want to recover the password for it. In this demo, I will want to recover the password for this Wi-Fi here. Please be careful. When you get to the one you want, do not click Forget. If you click Forget, you will lose the password and you may not get it until you connect to the original source for the password. But to recover the password as it is here, just click on the Wi-Fi name. And down here, you go to View Wi-Fi Security Key. On the far right, you see View. Click View. There you go. You can see the password right there. Alternatively, just under View, you can see Advanced Wi-Fi Network Property. Click Edit here. And the dialog box for this Wi-Fi connection shows up. In the dialog box for this Wi-Fi, click the Security tab here. And down here, you will see Network Security Key. This is the password, and to see the password, show characters. And there you have it. Now you can use this password here to connect your device to Wi-Fi connections. Subscribing to this channel is good for you and me. Therefore, subscribe here and like this video by giving it a thumbs up so you can see my other videos.